Here's how to fix if your story archive is not showing on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or Android and you're trying to get to all of your stories that are archived, but it's not showing up normally, I'll show you how to find that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the Instagram app here, and you can tap on your profile button at the bottom right. And you'll be able to navigate to all of the stories that have been archived after 24 hours by tapping on the three lines at the top right here. And then you'll be able to see under how you use Instagram is archive. Let's tap on that. It might default to post archive or live archive. Now, if you don't see it or it's not showing up, just tap on post archive at the top and switch over to stories archive. And just like that, it pops up with all of them. However, if you don't necessarily see all of these stories on here, there are two different things to do. The first one is, let's go back. Let's scroll down here, and then we're going to look for archiving and downloading right under device permissions. Tap on that, and you can see save story to archive. Now, if this is toggled off, whenever you create a story and it expires after 24 hours, it will not be saved to your archive. This needs to be toggled on. So essentially, if it's been toggled off, that's why they're missing or not showing up, because that's been off. Make sure you turn that on. However, if it was on, but you're still just not seeing those, the next option you have is to head into your settings here on your iPhone or Android, and we'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now from here, what we're going to do is find the Instagram app. There it is. We're going to tap offload the app, and we're just going to reinstall it. The nice thing is this clears out a bunch of bugs and cache and glitches in the app and downloads a fresh new version of the Instagram app. And a lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or issues that the Instagram app might be having. After it re-downloads the app, just open it up and you'll be good to go. Just navigate to that story archive and they should be working and showing up normally. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.